You look absolutely beautiful. I feel so lucky to be standing here with you and for us to become husband and wife. Your love and support has helped me through the toughest days of my life. Even when I'm feeling down, just hearing your voice puts a smile on my face.
Peter, I can't even put into words all the emotions I'm feeling right now. I'm so happy and excited that today I become your wife. I want to start off by telling you how lucky I am to have met you. I knew right away that you were someone special.
Oh my God, you look so beautiful. I love you.
Today is a big day. Today is a day that will stand out to both of you for the rest of your lives. For this is the day you have decided to commit your lives to one another.
I promise to be supportive and always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I promise to encourage your individuality because that is what makes you unique and wonderful. I promise to listen to you and learn from you, to support you and accept your support.
When I'm with you, there's no reason for why I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you,
As your wife, I promise to tell you every day how much I love you and appreciate all that you do for us. I promise to keep fighting for us and to always be by your side, no matter how challenging life can get.
I'll always be there for you, to love you in good times and in bad, to laugh with you and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I know in my heart that you will be the most supportive wife and the most caring mother to our family.
in that white dress, I can't resist. I can't miss this. Oh, when I'm with you.
Peter, do you give this ring to Jennifer as a symbol of your marriage vows and with the intention to love and honor her forever?
I do.
I know that no matter what life throws our way or how much time has passed, our love will go stronger together. I can't imagine sharing my life with anybody else but you. You're my best friend, my soulmate, and the person I choose to spend the rest of my life with. I love you.
Now, Jennifer and Peter, we have all seen and heard your sincere intent to love and honor each other for the rest of your lives. You've made a covenant here in our presence, a loving commitment sealed with the exchange of vows and symbolized by these beautiful rings. And having witnessed these things, it is my great joy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
You are my best friend, soulmate, and partner in all things. I love you.